Hi everybody, happy pre-4th of July. So I'm just jumping on to kind of show you guys what I do when the loud booms start to happen. Right now, as you can see, yes, good boy, good boy. My husband and his brother and cousins are firing off guns, it's just a loud bang, and they're off in the distance. Still loud, but what I am doing is I am rewarding him whenever the gun goes off or there's a loud bang. I am making it a good association by giving him a treat. This is Gus. Giving him a treat and saying good boy, saying yes, and just making it a positive association rather than a negative. So when you guys first, even thunderstorms or lightning, you always want to make it kind of a big deal. Yes, good boy. Good job, Gus. Yes, good boy. Yeah, there you go, good boy. So that way they know that it's actually a good thing and they don't have to be afraid. And you can up the reward. I got cheese here, I got his treats, and I can give him a little bit of cheese even. That way he understands, whoa, anytime a big bang goes up, I get all this awesome stuff. In which, that's what we want. We want it to be a positive association. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. That way he knows that when stuff like this goes off, it's not a terrible thing. It's nothing to be afraid of, but just something to be aware of. Good job. Good job, Gus. And so that's what I do. I just sit here. Yes, good boy. What is that? Is that a good boy? Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. So that's kind of how I handle loud bangs, how you can handle how you can handle fireworks. Not all dogs are going to like fireworks, but as a puppy, you want to start them out like this, where, yes, good boy. Good boy. Where that way in their adult life, they transition good. Puppies go through fear periods. So if you get a puppy that is going through a fear period during a thunderstorm or even the 4th of July, stuff where there's loud bangs, you want to make sure that you're being very proactive. See that I'm not coddling him or holding him and stroking him. I am just simply letting him figure out his emotions first, and then rewarding every time there's a bang. And if he reacts good, then he gets a treat. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy, Gus. I know you're tired. We're up here at North for a big family reunion, and so, hey, lay down, for a big family reunion, and so we're gonna be doing all that. Good girl, good girl. There you go. So that way, everybody kind of gets this exposure. Good job, Gus. Good job. Also, another thing that I did was around Gus's kennel, I put some lavender oil around his kennel. Lavender is for relaxing, and that way, it just helps the aromatherapy in the area. And you can actually, I use what is called Balance from doTERRA. That's it's great for dogs who have anxiety, but what we're trying to do right now is teach Gus how to handle the big booms by himself and how to handle his emotions. But if you already have a dog that's bigger, you can use that. You can use essential oils. You can diffuse essential oils. you can also do what I am doing, which is putting them into their safe place and then rewarding them every time something is happening. Buffa, lay down. Buffy is trying to get a treat that is outside her kennel, and it's not working. Good boy. Good boy. So yep, that's where we're at. I will talk to you guys later. You guys all have an awesome 4th of July. Let me know if you have any questions. And then, good boy. He's under going again. Good boy. Gotta wait for another boom. I know, you're jealous. You're okay. Good dog. Ready? There you go. Yes. Good boy. I'll bring it to you. Just give me a second. Yes. Good. Good boy. Good. Good boy. I can tell that he is so tired because his eyes just get so droopy. Yes. That time I had delayed it just a little bit. I wanted his ears to perk and look towards the sound and then acknowledge it, and then I was going to give him a treat. Buffy, sit. No. Lay down. Lay down. Yes. 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 Good boy. So, that's how I do it. This is how I teach them that big bangs mean good things. They get rewarded. And then over time, especially during that fear period, then that's when we start to really watch and make sure that we're conditioning the dogs so that they're not afraid of the big bangs or loud noises. Sometimes I even take bowls and I'll just randomly drop them. Yes. Even though that wasn't loud, but like even just on here. Yes. Good boy. And that's how we get the dogs to be able to handle large noises at once. Yes. Good boy. And so you can even pop balloons